place from day to day.
The National Weather Service in Paducah has issued a tornado warning for East Central Hardin County, Illinois, North Central Crittenden County, Kentucky, Southwestern Union County in northwestern Kentucky until 3:30 p.m. At 3:06 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Sturgis, moving north at 30 miles per hour. Expected hazards include tornado. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Sturgis around 3:10 p.m. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 3:30 p.m. for the following county, Hardin, Illinois, and the following counties, in Kentucky, Crittenden and Union.